Number 4, the board may hear and vote on a request received by Mr. Ken Block in November 2017 to have the APRA fee for record search, retrieval, and copying waived.
Mr. Chair, I'd like to just get a preliminary clarification from legal counsel, given the fact we just adopted these regulations and the regulations are in conformity with the statute. Is this
we have no regulation, we just have the policy.
We have the
which is in place. That is not a regulation.
I'm sorry, the policy that we've adopted in conformity with the statute, does that provide for this before the board?
The policy is silent on the issue of waiving those costs. The board, from my review of opinions, has the discretion to do so, but it's not mandated.
It's not mandated. The statute
in fact,
actually...
the statute speaks to, under 3824 subsection E, it speaks to a court reducing or waiving fees. So when you do review advisories from the Attorney General or opinions, he refers to the fact that there is discretion, but it's not mandatory.
Okay.
Thank you. Mr. Block.
Do you have a preference?
Will you raise your right hand?
I would prefer not to go under oath to make the case for APRA.
I don't, Mr. Chair. I think all witnesses have to be under oath.
I thought so.
Mr. Marccacio, since this is a straight up...
They ask me for advice, I'll give it to them.
Okay.
If you want my opinion, I'll provide it.
Right. I think he should be under oath. I don't see what the problem is.
If there's a request for any facts, it would be typical for you to have someone under oath. If it's for a petition without any facts, I'm not sure that it's mandatory.
I think you should be sworn in. Raise your right hand.
I do not have counsel with me here tonight, and I won't go under oath without counsel.
All right. Then we just don't hear from him. We can just proceed on the request.
I have two simple statements.
Well, no,
Hold it.
You don't write your own rules.
I have a question for you, Mr. Block.
Sure.
You're here representing who?
Myself.
Okay. Are you on someone's payroll, or are you doing this as a citizen?
As a citizen.
Okay. You're not working for anyone?
No.
I just think he should be under oath before he answers any questions.
Right. That wasn't the question.
That has
been
been our standard process throughout. I have no idea where this is coming from, but we have always put witnesses under oath. We put Mr. Marion under oath. We put Mr. Brown under oath. It's just our standard process. If he doesn't want to testify under oath, then he can just stand on the email that he sent.
You have to be sworn in, otherwise you have to sit down, sir.
I'll choose to sit down. I don't have counsel to make the case for an APRA fee waiver. It's rather remarkable that you'd ask me.
That's it, though. That's it. You're going to sit, either swear in or you can talk for an hour. I don't care.
Well, I don't think we give him an hour.
Oh, you know, if it's an hour, I might
Say your piece. Say your piece. That's it.